My name is JC Dixit. Today's our topic is real numbers. Real numbers. They are simply combination of rational and irrational numbers is called a real numbers. Friends, we are seeing that the table of a real numbers, which is the rational numbers and irrational combination is called as real numbers. Rational numbers. It is represented in the form of p by q. Then q is not equal to 0. What is cube? A denominator of a fraction is called a cube. The most important mathematical topic is called as rational numbers, and these rational numbers also we learn about the when q equals to 0. The fractions are 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, etc. These are not a rational numbers. For example, 1 by 2 is a rational number. Is that represented like this? Then how did you represent as a 1 by 0? As 1 by 0 there is no circle form. Then how did you write as a, so that the 1 by 0 or 2 by 0 is not a rational number, hence proved. In this terminating decimal that has ends, it is a decimal form. It has finite number of digits in the decimal forms. Under these non-terminating decimals has no end in points. That example 0.54444 bar etc. These are the non-terminating decimals. Euclid division lemma. Friends, we know that the real numbers first concept Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? Euclid proposes that the division formula that is called as Euclid division lemma. It is a A equals to BQ plus R. What is this form? We know that. First of all, take a number. Take a number B and it is divided with A. The remainder, the quotient is Q and the remainder is R. We know that. So, A equals to, divided equals to, divide into quotient plus remainder. It is called as a Euclid division lemma. For example, take a number 2 with take a number 6 divided by 2. 2 3 6. Answer is 0. In Euclid division number, A equals to 6. 6 equals to BQ. 6. Plus 0. It is called as a Euclid division lemma. Okay, friends. The scientists were so confused to division or multiplication with the big problems. The big problems has too much time wastages. This time capacity has been more and more decreases to mathematicians. So, a scientist called as John Napier has discovered logarithm to do the problems of multiplications and divisions in simple process of additions and division. He is called. The definition of logarithms is the involution and the involution of the reduced to multiplication and division respectively by using these logarithms. The logarithms can be used in the multiplications and divisions reduced by addition and subtraction. For example, take an exponent base 2 and exponent base 3. How will you calculate? It is 2 cube. But the 2 cube is equals to 2 per 8. But suppose in these logarithms, log 8 base 2 equals to 3. But why? That is the logarithms. In the way of 10 power 4 equals to 10,000. But in logarithms, log 10,000 base 10 equals to 4. It is called as logarithm function. For example, take log 5 base 25 equals to x. Then we use exponential form. It is 20 power 5 equals to 5. We simplify 5 power 2x equals to 5 power 1 and simplify 2x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 2. It is an answer of the logarithms we use now. This is the simplest form of the logarithm. Then why I do it? These are laws of logarithms. In these logarithms we use the how to do logarithmic function. Okay friends, now you know how to do logarithmic functions. So now I give some questions, solve it. You can learn these problems. You will easily take up the logarithm concept in 10th public exams. These questions are main useful for the exams. And you know one, when there is a number log 2 plus log 5, there is no base. This basis is called as a 10. It is a common base. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు నచ్చితే వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.